ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಆದಿಕೇಶ್ವಲು ಇವತ್ತು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್ ವೈಟ್ ಪೆಟಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಸಿವ್ ತೆಲುಗು ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಆಯಿತು. ತುಂಬ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಗ್ಯಾದರಿಂಗ್ ಥರ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ನೌ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಓವರ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಆಫ್ a couple of years they have been doing it just to bring communities together. It is such a beautiful initiative for people like us who want to communicate with uh, our language speaking people throughout the world. So I really thank APTA team for doing this beautiful event in Bangalore, which caters to almost all the sectors, whether it's immigrations or whether it's healthcare or bringing communities together, or related to employment, career counseling, student counseling. All of this they have brought it together as an association, as a team together, and they have taken this forward. And today's event was 100% success, and I really wish them all the best. I really thank Mr. Trinath Garu for doing this beautiful initiative in Bangalore Palace, and I also thank all our sponsors, Mr. D.A. Srinivas, Mr. Purushottam, etc., for actively participating and making this event 100% success. Uh, um, I would also like to tell that we would like to actively participate in future events as such, and we would really be happy to see our communities come together in greater heights. Thank you, Andy. Eshwalu, I am one of the founders of Indus Veda Organics. So I'm a social activist. I'm a social entrepreneur, as well as I'm into startups and healthcare. So about my company, Indus Veda Organics was started 5 years ago in the leadership of Ms. D.A. Tejeshwari and myself. We actually started with about 1.5 lakh farmers. We work with about 1.5 lakh farmers across 6 states and 60 whole villages. We also have about 280 groups of Mahilas, who are women, who are widows and orphans, who help us, with our who help us make special spices and pickles and etc. And we also we have a tie-up with about almost 2.5 lakh hectares of land across India. We at Indus Veda, we only think about bringing quality produce by helping our farmers in promoting their products in the right platform. So I really would like to expand to more than 3 lakh farmers in the span of 2025. By end of 2025, we hope to collaborate with about 2.5 lakh farmers across India. This beautiful initiative was created only for local farmers, to give them a platform, to give them an international platform to present their product. And that's where Indus Veda comes in to support all these beautiful initiatives. And I also contribute to startups who have beautiful technologies, or any products that benefit the society. I will be more than happy to actually invest in startups like this. And I've also previously been associated with a lot of startups as an entrepreneur. And we also promote women to come out and bring out the best from them. Thank you so much.
of the organizers and directors for creating this wonderful stage and platform today. And I'm really happy because many of the people of our community are connecting today for this very well organized things. And one more thing, they are creating opportunities, and they're creating giving scholarships and everything for our community people. That is very happy, and I'm really thankful to them. So these things, and our community people, and we are very connected to them, and we are ready to help anything for them, and we are ready to serve all the people of our community. Thank you.
Sir, what is the message from APTA from your side?
So APTA is a thing. See, actually, APTA is not a small thing; it's a big thing, and worldwide, it is like helping all the people, and people who are from Bangalore, all other states of India are going to America, and they are connecting there, and they are helping us as a community people, and that is a very good thing. So I'm really thankful to them because they are helping many people, and personally, I would like to thank all the directors and organizers of APTA, and thank you so much for this opportunity.
Almost 18,000 people are there. So they are thinking to help all the students who are going there. They are also providing jobs and how to survive. They are guiding and helping wherever the possible. Our people also doing their business. They have small companies and all. There they are providing jobs like part-time jobs and all. They are studying the jobs, education, and as well as doing the job. So like this, they are helping. This they want to spread everywhere. That is the reason they started in Bangalore also. After we are thanks, we are all say thanks to them because they are started in Karnataka also. Thanks to everyone.